And we have some news just coming in. Ex-Kejriwal Mantri in the BJP. Sources indicate that Kailash Gehlot is possibly joining the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is today at 12:30 is what we're picking up. It's a big setback, it seems, because Kailash Gehlot is possibly joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. He's jumping ship. With the Aam Aadmi Party, who is the Transport Minister, resigning from the primary membership of the Aam Aadmi Party, citing obviously deep concerns over the party's direction and internal challenges. He spoke about the fact that political ambitions within the party have overshadowed its core commitment to serving the people. Aam Aadmi Party faces great challenges, is what he had said. Challenges from within to the very values that brought us together to the Aam Aadmi Party. Seen as a part of the core team of Arvind Kejriwal, it's a huge setback, with Kailash Gehlot all set perhaps to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. He said there were promises to transform the river Yamuna into a clean one, but we never got around doing it. Yamuna is more polluted than ever, is what Kailash Gehlot has said. Aishwarya getting in more details. Aishwarya, do we know definitively that indeed he is joining the Bharatiya Janata Party today? Because if yes, it's a huge setback there, isn't it? For the Aam Aadmi Party, a minister there wanting to join the Bharatiya Janata Party, quitting the AAP, citing the problems with it.
Well, one of the important things that we have seen is that the BJP has been taking the Delhi elections, which will be held in the month of February, they have already started working on it, Sneha, and that's the reason why now we are seeing in all likelihood we would see a big switch now taking place with regards to Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. The BJP at the moment believes that they have a good chance, the kind of work that the Aam Aadmi Party has been doing, the way in which pollution has been, so the way we are seeing it up. So keeping all those things in mind, this is an important development. In all likelihood, we could see the press conference taking place in noon today, and with regards to that, there is a high possibility we could see a big switch taking place from the Aam Aadmi Party to the BJP.
All right, also get us the inside track of what is brewing. You rightly mentioned that elections not too far away in the national capital, but what's really brewing as far as things within the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned? He's spoken about the fact that there are political ambitions which have now taken precedence over the actual work that was to be done.
Well, one of the things that we can see taking place in Aam Aadmi Party is that most of the leaders believe that the kind of work and the kind of promises that they were made, those things are not happening. And also with regards to the shuffling that we have seen in Aam Aadmi Party, with regards to that, political ambitions have also been rising. So on that, we are seeing that Sneha, let me also tell you, this could not be the first and the last. We could also see other prominent leaders also making a beeline for the BJP, because the BJP believes that this election will be a very crucial election for them, and they have been working very hard over the past few months to make sure that Delhi also falls within their keeping.
Be with us. I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now. Piyush also with us, getting in more details on that story. Piyush, what is it that you're picking up? Is there a confirmation now that he indeed is joining the BJP, and that's going to happen at around 12:30 or so? We also know that he, in fact, was considered to be one of the closest aides of Arvind Kejriwal. He's spoken about political ambitions within the party, saying that work hasn't been done. For example, the Yamuna is more polluted than what it was previously. This is a huge setback, and I would say embarrassing also, isn't it?
Well, certainly, Sneha, it's going to be a huge setback for Aam Aadmi Party if, this joining takes place. What we are learning from our sources is that Kailash Gehlot is going to join the Bharatiya Janata Party at 12:30 p.m. at BJP's national headquarters. The senior BJP leaders will be present there. Remember that yesterday Kailash Gehlot had written a letter to Arvind Kejriwal where he had mentioned series of things, including Sheesh Mahal controversy. He had also mentioned that Yamuna River is very polluted today, and the kind of promises those are made to the people have not been fulfilled so far. This is what Kailash Gehlot has mentioned in his letter. At the same time, he has also raised that instead of working for the people of Delhi, the Delhi government has been in continuous rift with center, and that is why the work is not happening in Delhi. So, series of points were raised by Kailash Gehlot while resigning from Aam Aadmi Party's primary membership. And now, what we are learning from our sources is that at 12:30 p.m. today, Kailash Gehlot is going to join a Bharatiya Janata Party, and it's going to be a huge setback for Aam Aadmi Party. Yesterday, when Gehlot had resigned from Aam Aadmi Party, BJP had said that now Aam Aadmi Party is finished. But nobody is going to, no leader is going to, join Aam Aadmi Party, as they have not done what they should have done. They have not fulfilled the promises which they made to the people. Though on the other side, we have also seen as to how Aam Aadmi Party has Sneha said that it is nothing but a conspiracy by BJP, where it is sending summons to Aam Aadmi Party leaders of ED and CBI, and because of that, the leaders are forced to quit Aam Aadmi Party and joining BJP. So Kailash Gehlot, though he has mentioned series of things, but Aam Aadmi Party is terming it a BJP conspiracy. And at the same time, BJP has also slammed Arvind Kejriwal, saying that the kind of promises those were done to the people of Delhi have not been fulfilled, and that is why people are now leaving Aam Aadmi Party, and it is becoming a sinking ship day by day.